Class 5th, first lesson Malika goes to school. Number of periods are 17. Period number 1, content strategy for first 45 minutes, teaching learning process, learning outcomes, workbook for second 45 minutes, teaching learning material. In this way we should prepare the table. First period, pre-reading textbook, page number 1. Strategy, teacher interaction with the whole class, learning outcomes. Children will be able to identify the keywords and expressions from the picture along with the theme of the lesson. Worksheet 1.1, textbook, blackboard, images, flashcards, content or the learning material. Teaching learning material. Reading text segment 1, textbook page number 2 for period number 2. Strategy, whole, group and individual activities. Learning outcomes, children will be able to read and understand the vocabulary and segment 1. For workbook part, worksheet 1.2, teaching learning material, textbook, blackboard, glossary, dictionary and flashcards. For period number 3, reading text segment 1, textbook, page number 2, whole group, individual activity. Learning outcome, children will be able to read and understand the text. Worksheet activity 1.3, teaching learning material, textbook and blackboard. Fourth period, reading text segment 2, textbook, page number 3, whole group and individual activities in teaching learning process. Learning outcome, children will be able to read and understand the vocabulary and segment 2. Worksheet part is 1.4, textbook, blackboard, flashcards are teaching material. Fifth period, reading text segment 2, textbook, page number 3, whole group and individual activities for teaching learning process. Learning outcome, children will be able to read and comprehend the text. For worksheet part 1.5 and the teaching learning material or textbook, blackboard. In the sixth period, segment 3, we should teach segment 3, textbook, page number 3 and 4. These are also whole group and individual activities in teaching learning process we should use. And learning outcome, children will be able to read and understand the vocabulary and segment. For the workbook part, we should complete 1.6, teaching learning material are textbook, blackboard, glossary, dictionary, flashcards. For period 7, segment 3, textbook, page number 4 is the content and strategy for learning process, teaching learning process, whole group and individual activities. Children will be able to read and understand the vocabulary and segment 4 for learning outcome. And workbook part is 1.7 and 1.8 children will complete. And the teaching learning materials are textbook, blackboard, glossary, dictionary, flashcards. These are the teaching learning material. And for 8th period, we should finish page number 4 and activities are whole group, individual and learning outcomes, understanding and reading vocabulary. And also worksheet part is 1.8, TLM is textbook, blackboard, glossary, dictionary, flashcard as well. And ninth period is page number 4, segment 4, and these are also whole group and individual activities. Children will be able to read and comprehend the text. Worksheet part is 1.9 for second 45 minutes. And TLM is matching cards we should add for the textbook and blackboard. Period number 10, we should teach vocabulary, textbook part, page number 6, 7 and 8. And the learning process is whole group and individual activities. Children learn about conceptualized meaning and compound words. Worksheet 1.10, textbook, blackboard, charts, word cards, e-content are the teaching learning material. 11th period, post reading grammar, textbook page number 8, 9 and 10. You should introduce grammar. This teaching learning process is whole, group and individual activities. Present negatives. In the grammar, we should teach present negatives. And learning outcomes are collective nouns and the uses of simple present tense children will learn. And workbook part is worksheet 1.11. The teaching learning material are textbook, blackboard, collective noun charts, simple present table, e-content. In 12th period, post reading preparation of a poster, teaching book, textbook page number 11 and 12. Whole group and individual activities are teaching learning process, and children learn about the apostrophe in contractions and possessions. Worksheet part is 1.12. Textbook, blackboard, other print resources, word cards, e-content are teaching learning material. 13 period, preparation of a poster, page numbers 13 and 14. Teaching learning processes, whole, group and individual activities. Children comprehend and prepare a poster. This is the learning outcome. And worksheet part is 1.13. Textbook, blackboard, posters are teaching learning materials. 14th period, post reading writing a leave letter, page number 15. And the teaching learning process is whole, paid and individual activities. Children will be able to write a leave letter. This is learning outcome. And workbook part is worksheet 1.14. Textbook, blackboard, model, leave letter are teaching learning material. 15th period, post reading, listening and responding, textbook page number 16. The teaching learning process is whole, pair, group and individual activities. The learning outcome is listen and respond to the conversation or enact the role play, speak on the given situations. This is the learning outcome. The worksheet is 1.15. Textbook, blackboard, e-content are teaching learning material. 16th period, post reading, listening input, textbook page number 17. Listening input is the content, whole, pair and individual activities are teaching learning process. And learning outcomes, children listen and comprehend the listening input. Worksheet part is 1.16. Roman number 1. Textbook, blackboard are the teaching learning materials. In 17th period, post reading language game, textbook page number 18. Whole, group and individual activities are teaching learning process. And learning outcomes are roll and respond to the simple present questions and enjoy the game. This is the learning outcome. And the workbook part is worksheet 1.16 part 2. And learning material, teaching learning material are textbook, blackboard, dice board and beads. These are the learning materials. This is the process of period plan in class 5th English. Thank you.